If you love the classic look of your motorcycle, but want the performance of a modern LED headlight, you're going to love this. This is the Eagle Eye Heritage Beam. We designed the Heritage Beam headlight for riders who don't want to sacrifice the timeless appearance of a traditional fluted glass headlight just to get brighter, safer lighting. From the outside, it keeps that iconic vintage look, but inside, it's powered by advanced LED technology that delivers a crisp white beam, improved visibility, and lower power consumption. And today, we're going to install it on this '03 Heritage Classic. Let's get to it. Installation is just as easy as any of our other LED headlights. You're simply going to remove the outer retaining ring by unscrewing the Phillips head screw at the bottom of it. Pop off that ring. There's going to be 3 screws on the inner retaining ring. Remove all 3. Going to unplug the existing headlight. All right, now that you have the other headlight removed, take your new Heritage Beam, plug it into the bike's harness. Line the keyways up. You're going to want the DOT stamp to be at the top. And just reverse the steps we took to take out the existing headlight. Put your outer trim ring back on. Alrighty, and just like that, we got it installed. And what a blast from the past that is. Now all we got to do is test to make sure everything works. Got our low beam and our high beam.